When homeowners invest in new windows, they often focus on style, materials, and energy-saving features. While those elements are important, window performance ultimately depends on how well the windows are installed. Even high-quality windows can lose much of their efficiency if installation is rushed or done incorrectly. For Rockford homeowners, professional installation is essential for maximizing window efficiency, comfort, and long-term value. Why installation quality matters. Windows are designed to create a tight barrier between the indoors and outdoors. If gaps, misalignment, or improper sealing occur during installation, air and moisture can easily pass through. In Rockford, where homes experience cold winters, warm summers, and seasonal weather changes, professional installation ensures windows perform effectively in all conditions. Creating an airtight seal to prevent energy loss. One of the primary goals of professional window installation is achieving a complete, airtight seal. Air leaks are a common cause of energy loss and indoor discomfort. Professional installers use proper insulation and sealing techniques around the window frame. For Rockford homes, this prevents cold air from entering during winter and keeps cooled air inside during summer. Protecting against water intrusion. Water leaks around windows can compromise efficiency and cause structural damage. Improper flashing or sealing allows rain and snowmelt to penetrate walls. Professional installation includes layered moisture protection that directs water away from the window opening. In Rockford homes, this protection is essential for preventing long-term damage and maintaining energy efficiency. Ensuring proper alignment and operation. Windows that are not level or square may appear functional at first but can develop problems over time. Misalignment affects how tightly the window closes, reducing efficiency. Professional installers carefully align and level windows during installation. For Rockford homeowners, this ensures windows close securely and maintain their energy-saving properties. Supporting insulation and temperature control. Efficient windows rely on insulation around the frame to prevent heat transfer. Gaps or compressed insulation reduce performance. Professional installation ensures insulation is placed correctly and consistently. In Rockford homes, this helps maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduces strain on heating and cooling systems. Reducing drafts and cold spots. Drafts near windows are a sign of poor installation. Even small openings can create noticeable temperature differences. Professional installation eliminates these drafts, improving comfort in Rockford living spaces and allowing homeowners to enjoy their windows without discomfort. Enhancing long-term window performance. Windows that are installed correctly experience less stress on frames, seals, and hardware. This reduces wear and helps windows maintain efficiency over time. For Rockford homeowners, professional installation extends the lifespan of windows while preserving their performance. Meeting local climate and building standards. Professional installers understand Rockford's climate and local building requirements. This expertise ensures installation methods and materials are appropriate for regional conditions. Proper installation tailored to Rockford's environment helps windows perform reliably year after year. Maximizing return on investment. Efficient windows provide the most benefit when installed properly. Professional installation ensures homeowners receive the full value of their investment. For Rockford residents, this means improved comfort, consistent indoor temperatures, and reliable performance. A smart choice for Rockford homes. Professional installation is the foundation of window efficiency. By ensuring airtight seals, proper alignment, and moisture protection, expert installation maximizes window performance. For Rockford homeowners, choosing professional installation is a smart step toward long-term comfort, energy efficiency, and peace of mind.